She's scared. She's taking a video
You have
too.
no choice but to hear it.
Heck yeah, I am.
Whatever thunder you're going to hear through the walls in this place.
I am too.
Whoa.
Yeah, you're okay right here.
Look at those trees right there. Yeah, they're glowing. Please, big old tree in the corner, stay.
Yeah.
Everybody say a little prayer for the tree.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
don't fall on our damn vehicle.
You hear me? Do a little prayer for the tree over there.
Don't fall on our vehicle. We'll make Brian pay.
House, I really don't care.
Brian, comes into your living room.
Yeah,
Or
I got-
fall on
I got
our
home buses
house,
insurance,
right,
so it's
Mom?
all paid for anyway.
The wind is blowing
We just sit there and watch TV and trees.
all different directions.
He comes in like the Kool-Aid man.
It's cold. Come on.
Let's go. Let me beside you. Oh, it's not. No, it's not.
Once it's done, it's going to be boring.
Right.
I'm probably getting hot.
There's so much more. Somebody's got to know.
Yeah, you can try it.
Somebody had to have stolen it.
Somebody has to.
I want him back there.
Because you know he was straight home with that he got outside.
We'll have to make some tigers out there.
I want Fender back there. You need to do that tomorrow. It would have been bad if I would have to work right now. Whoa.
Ooh,
You didn't click the door. What, Mom?
I said, ooh. That was cold.
Look,
The
guys.
wheel is coming now.
Woo! Hey, I can't move. Don't step on my foot. I'm not trying to. I'm trying not to fall.
Why are we all gathered over here?
I don't know. We
Some-
love storms.
Because I'm trying to take.
We're rednecks.
I'm trying to take video.
One's dying down.
Kind of.
One was dying down.
Colder though.
Oh, there's
Oh, the chair's
goes
going.
the chair.
Bye
It's gonna
bye.
go down the road.
Just go in the backyard somewhere.
No, it's going towards the road.
Oh, you don't need to see it. It's over right there.
Yeah, you don't need to see them. Mommy's
No,
soaking-
I'm fine. Stop.
Mommy's soaking wet.
Haley, don't get your phone wet.
I won't.
Big wet
Is it waterproof? You should get a
No, it's
waterproof
fine.
camera. You know what? You can like put
your dog.
zip up bag
Yeah, I know.
thingy and like lay it down on the river.
Or like go on our
The moment I
water
realized the
and
storm
take
was bad.
pictures.
How?
With a
It's not
bag.
here.
Take pictures. Yeah.
It's south of here.
You gotta zip it up really easy.
Yeah, I know.
All we were going to get
Or
was a little bit of rain.
no,
and
not
wind.
super glue it. Well, you could just cut it back, but oh well.
No.
Have a twisted
What?
spring bag, Bayview Gardens.
It's coming or there's
Yeah, it's here. They got it on. They
Stop
putting
it,
across
Mom.
now. The storm.
Okay.
And the wind damage.
You know it's actually supposed to when you come up
you gotta
35.
you gotta see right above the awning.
And siding and
Holy crap! No, I can't move. There's a door here.
ouch.
And I'm trying to take
Use your manners, Lillian.
That's so cool.
Hey, excuse
Yeah.
Somebody grab
There's
that
no tornado, it's just a thunderstorm.
Who wants to go? Who wants to get that chair? Because it's gonna go flying towards the road next to the wind.
Wow.
It's gonna go on down the road. We're never gonna see that.
The chair actually blew over there?
Yep.
That's
me.
what
That
they
looks
said.
like a tornado.
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably is.
Mom, move. You know.
Here it goes again.
Tornado.
I hear something.
It's sirens.
Wait, shh.
No, it's a grumble.
Get out of the way.
What are you doing?
Well.
Me and nurse you dead.
You know what? Bye.